Hey traders, Andrew Keen, CEO and president of ACryptoShark.com. So the news came out. So there's positive and negative news from Bitcoin in the last 24 hours. The positive news is CME released the official date of Bitcoin futures. It will be December 18th. I've already started calling my contacts because I am going to be trading Bitcoin futures. Unfortunately, there's a little bit of problem with them, and I'll tell you exactly the problem. So if you want to trade Bitcoin, Bitcoin is $10,000 right now. Every contract in the futures market will be 5 Bitcoins for one future. So that means the contract itself is going to have a nominal value of $50,000. I called my brokerage, Advantage Futures, and they said 30 to 35% margin. So if you want to trade a one lot in Bitcoin futures, you're going to have to divvy up a third of $50,000, which is about $17,000 cash to trade a one lot. Okay, so that is the news on the margin requirements on the CME currently right now. That can change at any point of time. Then I asked, they're going to be in $5 increments, which is really, really good. Okay, the Dow futures trade in $10 increments. S&P trades in 0.25, so there's only actually 4 of them. So if you look at a dollar range, so you're going to trade in $5 increments in Bitcoin. So I think that's good on a product that's $10,000. So that is the good that's come out, good and bad from the CME. Like I said, those are not official till they are released, but this is what I heard from my contacts. Overnight, we got a sell-off in Bitcoin under $9,000, and when the CME came out with their exact date, then we got that pop. So under 9,000 here. The reason that it sold off was due to the fact that some of the exchanges are getting problems. Okay, I have an account on Coinbase, on GDAX, and a lot of the exchanges crash. You know, Coinbase just came out and said they have more customers than Charles Schwab at 13 million open accounts. So we got a sell off to 9,000. We're getting back to the high here. It's 10,600. If I look at Bitcoin here, guys, this is the most interesting candle right here. This big candle on the daily chart, okay? That is possible short-term top. We tried to flush under that bottom, and buyers came into the market. So I still think we're going to kind of consolidate around this 10,000 level until the futures come out. But as a generalization, this $10,000 level seems like something we've held on to for a while. Here's my Coinbase, and 10,000 here, Ethereum 450. And when I go into CoinMarketCap and I kind of just look at it, I currently have a lot of open positions. I have about 5 open positions. I have no Bitcoin. I sold my 3,400 out that I bought, 34 to 3,800 out. Okay, so I go to Coinbase, and this is 24 hours, guys. So remember, this isn't like, you know, that accurate here. We saw that huge sell-off. Everything was down about 20%. Litecoin continues to be so strong. Litecoin and Dash are the 2 strongest one out there. I think these will continue to get steam ahead. I'm still long a little IOTA. I sold half my position at $1.50. I was into IOTA at 44 cents. Cardano, guys, this is a sleeper pick. And one thing you guys have got to look at here is you look at them and you say, oh, 13 cents. I can buy $2,000 worth. But buying a Cardano at $2,000 worth at 13 cents and buying $2,000 worth of IOTA, it's going to relatively move the same percentage. And you got to look at the market cap, guys. The market cap is a lot more important than the dollar amount of how much it's trading, okay? As we go through here, I'm also in some Lisk. Lisk is finally profitable. So now we've sent out 9 signals, 9 winners. Lisk 760. Talk about OMG. I like that around the 720 level. Zcash, I love it at 225. It's got a little bit of a bid here up to 3.25. So the news of the day, you know, we saw that sell off overnight to about 9,000. And then we saw the news from the CME that they're listing the futures. And then when that news came out, we got a pop back here. So I think we're going to consolidate. I was talking to a really good friend of mine who was a broker on the trading floor. I was a trader on the trading floor. And we talked about an at-the-money straddle, okay? And at some point, there will be options in Bitcoin. And we're talking about the at-the-money straddle. What the at-the-money straddle would be, it's implying how much you think Bitcoin is going to move between now and the end of the year. Bitcoin is $10,000. And I used to be a market maker on the trading floor, and they said, if someone said to me, in a gun to my head, how much do you think Bitcoin will move between now and the end of the year? I don't know the answer. I have to make a market. I would think that Bitcoin is not going to move more than $3,500. Okay, but that is 35%, guys. So I think when these futures come out, we're going to get volatility swings, which will be great for a trader, up, down, up, down. I will be trading them. I'll be launching a trading room where I trade them as well. So I think this is going to be exciting here, but I would anticipate 6,500 to 13,500. I don't think it's out of that range, but if someone had a gun to my head and said, AK, make an at the money straddle, how much do you think Bitcoin's going to move between now and the end of the year? I would probably say about $3,500. This is Andrew Keen, CEO and president of acryptoshark.com. News of the day, the CME news is very, very important. Other than that, we're getting a little bit of rebound here in a lot of the crypto names. I am long. I have a portfolio. My portfolio is Cash, IOTA, Golem, Vertcoin, ZRX, and I just added some Lisk at 760. It's up 9 cents. So that's it, guys. Thanks, and I'll see you guys on Monday.